Welcome to my review of Zoho Expense, a leading expense management solution designed to help businesses track and manage their expenses efficiently. In today's video, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about this platform and sharing my personal experience using it. Zoho Expense is an easy-to-use app that provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing business expenses. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger company, Zoho Expense offers a range of features designed to streamline your expense tracking and reporting. Let's start by looking at the main features of the platform. First, Zoho Expense offers an intuitive dashboard that gives you a clear view of your business expenses. It makes it easy to categorize your expenses, whether they're related to travel, office supplies, or other areas. The system is designed to automatically pull in receipts, making it much simpler to keep track of every transaction. You can upload receipts using your smartphone, scan them, or even forward them directly from your email, making data entry a breeze. Zoho Expense also has an excellent mileage tracking feature, which is ideal for businesses that require employees to travel for work. The app uses GPS to calculate mileage, making it incredibly accurate. Plus, you can set up rules to ensure that your employees are reimbursed correctly according to company policy. Another standout feature of Zoho Expense is the multi-currency support. If you run a global business, you'll appreciate the fact that Zoho Expense allows you to manage expenses in different currencies. The platform supports over 100 currencies, and it handles currency conversions automatically, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. For businesses that need approval workflows, Zoho Expense includes a custom approval process. You can configure the system to automatically route expenses for approval based on your company's needs. This is particularly useful for larger teams where multiple layers of authorization are required before expenses are finalized. Zoho Expense integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps, including Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, and Zoho Payroll, making it part of a complete business ecosystem. If your company is already using Zoho's suite of tools, you'll find Zoho Expense to be a perfect fit. Additionally, Zoho Expense integrates with third-party applications like QuickBooks and Xero, further enhancing its flexibility. The app is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere, on any device, whether it's a desktop or mobile. This is great for business owners and employees who are often on the go. Pricing for Zoho Expense is reasonable compared to other expense management tools. They offer different pricing plans, allowing businesses to choose a plan that suits their needs. There's also a free version, which is ideal for smaller businesses or freelancers who need basic expense tracking features. Overall, my experience with Zoho Expense has been positive. It's a reliable and feature-rich tool that makes managing business expenses much simpler and more organized. If you're looking for a solution that can streamline your expense management and reporting, I highly recommend giving Zoho Expense a try. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching.